And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Mr. Nello. I'm currently preparing for my MTTC math certification test, and so this is a MTTC math practice question. This is, I believe, it's probability and statistics. So let's do it. A student assistant is cleaning up after a chemistry laboratory exercise and find 3 1-liter bottles containing alcohol solutions. The first bottle is 1/2 full with 20% alcohol solution. The second bottle is 1/5 full with 30% alcohol solution. And the third bottle is 1/10 full with a 50% alcohol solution. The student pours the content of all 3 bottles into an empty 1-liter bottle. What is the approximate alcohol content in this mixed solution? So we want to figure out what is the approximate alcohol solution in this mixture. So as you can see here, we have similar, we have the bottles that are the same, okay? So we have these 3 bottles that are 1 liter, okay? But they have different levels of alcohol content in them, okay? So as you can see here in the first bottle is half full and only 20% of its alcohol solution, okay? The second bottle is 1/5 full, okay, and it only has 30% alcohol solution. And the third bottle is 1/10 full and only has 50% alcohol solution. So ask yourself, which bottle has the most alcohol solution? It's the third one, okay? And the question is asking us, what is the approximate alcohol content in this mixed solution? So in order for us to do this, we first have to figure out what is just how mathematically, how do we show that 20% of the alcohol is in 1/2? We do multiplication. And we're going to figure out just pretty much how much alcohol is in that fraction, add them up, and that's going to be our total alcohol solution. So let's first start off with, what is the total alcohol solution? Okay, so again, the total alcohol solution is going to be the percentage of alcohol content times the fraction of just how much of it is inside the 1 liter container. Okay, so we know that the 1 liter container is 1/2, okay, times 20%. Now we're not going to write it as 20%, we're going to write it as a fraction. And the way we write 20% as a fraction is going to be 20 over 100. Okay, and it's 100 because this term right here lets you know that you're dividing it by 100. Okay, that's part of 100. That's what 20% means, part of 100. Okay, and we're adding because we're adding solutions together. All right, but we just need to figure out how much of alcohol content is in that fraction. So that's why we're multiplying them. Do the same thing here. 1/5 of the second bottle times 30%. 30% is going to be the same, 30 over 100, okay, plus 1/10 of 50%. And that's going to be the same there as well, okay? All right, so when we do that math there, we're going to recognize we're just multiplying and then we're adding the fractions. So from there, we have, just do math, we have 100 plus 60 plus 50 divided by 1,000. All right, and we get that just from doing the math here and then adding that from the fraction. And then from there, you're going to get 0.10, okay? 0.10. Now that is the approximate, that's the total alcohol solution. Okay, so now we have the total alcohol solution. We're going to take that number and then divide it by the total volume to figure out how much of it is in the mixed solution, okay? So Now that we know the total alcohol content, in the mixture, we want to figure out what is the volume. So we know that the first bottle is 1/2 plus 1/5 plus 1/10. Okay. And then from there, we do that math. We're going to get 5 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 10. 10 is the common denominator. And then we simplify that out. We get 8/10. All right. Because this is 21%, we can rewrite this in a fraction because we want to figure out how much of that content is in that volume. And so we can rewrite this as 21/100. Okay, so this is my volume. And then this is my alcohol content, right? This is my alcohol content. That's what this number is here. So we're going to take that. We're going to take the alcohol content and divide it by the volume, and that's going to give me my concentration. Okay, so my concentration is going to be all right. So the concentration is going to be the alcohol solution divided by the volume, which is going to be 21 divided by 100 divided by 8/10. And so the answer is going to be 26%. And so the answer to the question so what is the approximate alcohol content in the mixed solution? The answer is 26%. All right, so please like, share, comment any questions that you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.